I am ready for fall, you guys. I'm gonna go get my pumpkin spice latte, okay? And burn my pumpkin spice candles, okay? Get my whole ambiance ready for the fall season. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I created this beautiful pumpkin spice inspired eyeshadow look for you ladies today. Yeah, so I wanted to do this look. Very easy, beginner friendly eyeshadow tutorial for you girls, just to give you some fall vibes, fall inspiration. And yeah, so I did a slightly halo eye with a pop of shimmer just in the middle there. I really like how this turned out. Oh my goodness. And this is the epitome of a fall look, okay? All you girls, all you pumpkin spice, I hear you. I hear you. I'm here for it all, okay? Yeah, I created this look, and make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel for more beauty content, for more entrepreneurship content. I am a business owner. I have my Beauty Boss series going, so stay tuned for that. And of course, you know I'm coming with the makeup looks, honey. Makeup is my jam, makeup is my vibe, makeup is my life. I love it. So definitely subscribe so that you can join the beauty gang, the beauty mafia, okay? Like this video, comment, all of that good stuff, all right? Yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so to start off, I already primed my eyes and put my loose powder underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout so that it does not mix in with my foundation. That's not cute. I'm gonna start with my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, okay? It's one of my faves. I use it pretty much in every tutorial. It's amazing, can't go wrong. So I'm gonna start with like a medium flesh tone color, just to start with a transitional shade for my crease. This one right here, in Peach Tea. So just gonna start blending that in the crease. That down, I want to build a little bit further and go in with this shade right here, Peach Cobbler, just slightly down on the crease, further down. Tip brush to go back in with that first shade, Peach Tea, and just going slightly above where I put that Peach Cobbler color. So right there, that's my favorite thing to do, so you can see that like gradient. I live for that. I'm gonna go in with my Born to Run palette. You already know, oldie but goodie. oldie but goodie. This is the perfect fall palette. I'm gonna go in with this orange color, pumpkin orange color in a Baja. So for this look, what I'm actually gonna do, I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. Yep. Very simple, very beginner friendly. You don't have to be an expert to achieve this. And of course on the outside. So we're leaving that middle part empty for our shimmer that we're gonna put there later on. We're just keeping it slightly at the end of our eye. So we're building that for sure. Bring my shadow slightly above where my eye folds, because I have hooded eyes, so I need to bring the shadow up slightly above where my eye folds naturally. So we want to give the illusion of a larger lid space. And I'm doing the same for the outer portion. Comment down below what your favorite season is. Summer is mine, but I think I'm biased because I come from the islands, so I prefer hot weather, and I also prefer the color. The summer colors, you know, bright, vibrant, happy, warm. Fall is a close second, I must say. And that's because I love the colors also of fall, you know. I love the warm oranges and the deeper purples, the olive and sage greens, basically like all the leaves as they fall. That's my favorite part, definitely. And I hate winter, not even gonna lie. I live in Toronto and it just gets so cold. I just go into straight hibernation. Like, who has time? Who wants to go outside and freeze their butt off? That's not cute at all. So give me summer, give me fall. I am here for it all. I look crazy. I think I'm just gonna stick with my Born to Run palette. I'm trying to decide between these 3 shades. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my god. And I kid you not, like, I didn't even swatch this like super heavy. I just lightly, you know, passed it along my hand. I think I like that middle shade. I like that middle shade better. It's so pretty. Yeah, I actually got a lot of use out of this palette. Like, I'm telling you, it's perfect. If you want to do a smoky eye, you can do a smoky eye. If you want to do, let me just show you so I can, yeah. So like this section here, super fall as well. Here also, like, this whole palette is just perfect for fall. Like, I think this is a good staple to have. Obviously my nails like nick to this here, but if you're looking for a super fall vibes palette, but I've also used this in the summer, and the neutral row up here, I've used that a lot. It doesn't look like it, but I have. But yeah, like, I've just fallen in love with it every time. every time. It just looks so good. And yeah, so I'm going in with that Accelerate shade, and I'm just gonna use my finger to apply that right in the middle there. Going back in with that orange matte shade, Baja, and just intensifying that. Back in to my crease, okay? That's just how I do it. I'm gonna go back in with the Just Peachy mattes, and I'm using the shade Peach Cobbler again, just to seamlessly blend that crease. To do my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with a mixture of these two shades, this one and this one, Peach Meringue and Peach Butter. Just gonna mix the two of them and put them on my brow bone. I like to bring my brow bone here. I just think that looks very nice like that. Like if I highlight under here as well, some people don't. But that's how I like to do it. I like my brow bone to pop, whether it's like with matte shadows or with shimmer shadows. I really like a pop in brow bone. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do my liner and my lashes off camera just to save some time. Okay, so lashes and liner is on, the glue is still drying. That's why it looks like that. We're gonna keep with the orange, so I'm gonna go back in with Baja. I have so much fallout, so ignore that. So we're basically gonna repeat what we did on the upper lid. Same brush, I'm gonna go back in with Accelerate, which is this one right here. We go back in with Peach Cobbler. And we're just gonna put that underneath where we have all those shades. Blend everything together. Up, I'm just gonna use some mascara to blend my natural lashes with the falsies. Do a inner tear duct highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my palette again here, and I'm gonna use a shade Stranded. See if I like that or not. If I don't like it, you just wipe it off. Just a subtle inner tear duct highlight. Okay, so this is the Kiss Luxury Intense Lip Liner. It's retractable, that's why I like it, because it's so annoying to always have to sharpen. One is Dark Plum Purple. Blend that in a little bit. For the lip color, I'm going in with my MAC Velvet Teddy. Look at it. It's almost done, to show you how much I've used this lipstick. I am ready for fall, you guys. I'm gonna go get my pumpkin spice latte, okay? And burn my pumpkin spice candles, okay? Get my whole ambiance ready for the fall season. And yeah, so this is the final look. I love how this turned out. Oh my gosh, and it's so easy to do, and it's so like just all kinds of fall vibes, okay?